Good morning everybody. Today is the longest day. It is the 21st of June 2021 and I'm just out and about this morning on the farm. There's a field of winter wheat which was drilled directly into the stubble of last year's spring oats, and I've just come down to the corner here to fill up one of the bird feeders. And if you look around the outside, there are 6 ports where the birds can get the seed inside, and the seed consists of quite a few different things: wheat, oilseed rape, sunflower seeds, linseed, amongst other things. So there's quite a mixture there, and the idea is to make sure that the small birds, just put that lid back on to keep the water out, that the small birds can feed off this, and any of the big stuff that falls down onto the floor is then consumed by the bigger birds like the pheasants. But one thing I have trouble with, it's not the birds, it is the chuffing squirrels. This is the feeder that used to stand at that place, and here it is now. That hole was created by a squirrel, and now this feeder is absolutely useless. And I've got 2 other feeders exactly the same, and you can see the teeth mark there in fact. And the other hole in the other one is much bigger than this, just so they can get in and get the dregs out. I really don't like squirrels. Anyway, I hope you have a good longest day. I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.